types of chart. There are varieties of chart that you can create it. According to your requirement, which type of chart you need to create and which chart will suit in your document, in your database, that type of chart you can create in your database. So, I'm going to explain few types of chart. You may see it. The very first one is column chart. Okay, this is first one is column chart. Now, what is column chart? This column chart will indicate the data in the vertical lines. These all are standing lines. These are the vertical lines. It will use to compare the data. For example, you can see this yellow color indicates maths, this blue color indicates science, and this skin color indicates computer. I have taken the three students' marks, NOW. Okay, so while you are taking the three students' marks, you can compare it. Say 10, 30, 50, 70, 90 and 100. You may compare the chart that what they have got. Okay. Now N has got in mathematics below 50. Now O has got in mathematics for below 40 marks. Now in maths, W has got more than 50. Okay. So this chart is used to compare the components. We can easily compare the data and we can easily list the details that what is the comparison between everyone. So it is very easy. This chart is drawn on the vertical lines. Next is bar chart. This one is bar chart. This type of chart will be in horizontal lines. The data will be displayed on the horizontal line. It has also got the same function. It will also compare the marks between the different students. Yellow indicates for maths, blue indicates for science, and this skin color indicates for computer. NOW we are comparing here. So it is also used for comparing, but both are similar. The difference is that it will be in horizontal line and this is in vertical line. And one difference is that in the bar chart, you can see that categories are organized vertically. Categories are organized vertically and you will see that is y-axis and x-axis is value that is organized horizontally. Whereas in this chart, column chart, it is just opposite. You will see that categories are organized vertically. Categories are organized horizontally and values are vertically. So this is the difference between these two. Now next comes the line chart. Now line chart, you can see the lines have been drawn here. I'm taking the three students. They have been, these lines will show you the difference, that how the difference is moving. Only a line will be shown. It is the compared trends in data over a specific period. Okay, it will show in the specific period of time. And you can plot the points to plot it. Next is pie chart. Okay, line and pie. Pie chart is on the 360 degree. You can create the chart on the axis of 360. That means complete circle. Now, in this chart, what we are doing, that you can represent the data in the form of circles and plot data for a single data series. Okay, we can't create this data for math, science, computer. Individually, we can't create it. We are creating it only for 3 students. Blue indicates for N student, yellow indicates for O student, and W indicates for, sorry, skin color indicates for W student. So we can't categorize it by subject wise. Okay, and if you want by subject, you can compare with only one student by only subject. And if you want to compare all the students, then you have to compare it with its total marks. Okay, you can't compare it with the individual subject. Now, next type of chart is graph. It will also be in complete circles. Okay. This chart is Dognut chart. Now, it is a subtype of pie chart. Like pie chart, it also displays the line relationship in proportion parts as a whole. Okay, it has been in 3 parts. It has been divided. Now, in this, you can compare the multiple data. That means you can compare subject wise. One, computer, maths, science, as well as all the 3 students, that N, O, W. All the 3 students, you can compare it with the subject wise. Okay. Now, next type of chart is scatter chart. Now, in the scatter chart, what happens? Only dots will come here. Dots will show you the data. Okay. In scatter, there are no text labels on the x-axis or y-axis. There is no text labels, and it is very beneficial for the relationship. Okay. In this, we are comparing the data through markers or pointers. These pointers can be connected with lines. If you want, you can connect it with the lines. Okay. And it is very less used. Okay. So these were the types of charts.